I must take you over to the track on the start line. We are going to present the participating teams of the 4x100 relay women fan. The teams are Lane 1 representing Uttar Pradesh, Lane 2 representing Punjab, Lane 3 representing India, Lane 4 representing Kerala, Lane 5 representing Sri Lanka, Lane 6 representing Tamil Nadu, Lane 7 representing Telangana, and Lane 8 representing Maldives. The national record of 4x100 meter relay women stands in the name of Indian team with a timing of 43.42 seconds, and meet record stands in the name of Tamil Nadu with a timing of 45.69 seconds.
So here we go. We are all looking. Indian team is going to get a timing of 3 seconds or less in this event, 4x100 meter relay for women. Best of luck to other athletes as well. It's UP, Punjab, India, Kerala, Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Maldives from lane number 1 to 8. Clean start is the first requirement, and off they go with the shot of the gun. It's a clean start. Both the athletes, Kerala team is doing very well, and team of India is looking in some fiery speed. They are right from the very beginning, and they are going for the first exchange. And you can see the team of India is doing very well. And from the outside, you can see that team of Sri Lanka is equally challengeable. From the outside, you can also see that team of Telangana is looking quite promising. But team of Sri Lanka is setting up a very good pace there, and team of India is also giving them some tough times. But team of India and Sri Lanka are currently doing better there if you compare the performance of the other teams. But team of India and Sri Lanka are quietly running from shoulder to shoulder as they are approaching towards the final exchange. And here we go, and this is a battle between team of India and Sri Lanka for the first position. Team of India is doing very well. Duti Chand is running the final 100, and here she is going to get the first position there. It's all about the timing. Team of Sri Lanka came second, and team of Telangana claimed the third position in that contest. Well, they lived up to the billing for the first position, but our expectations were a bit higher than that. And let's see about the time that they had got there. They were near about 44 seconds or 45 seconds when they crossed the tape, and all eyes are on the time is that they are going to achieve. Here you can see that the team of Sri Lanka and India are looking right from the first exchange, very promising. Team of Telangana is also doing very well, and also team from Kerala in the middle. Here we go, and now the picture is getting clear that team of India and Sri Lanka are taking it to the wire. As you can see that they are running very close to each other, and with the final exchange of baton, it was quite clear that the other teams are very behind, and they have opened up a very large gap over the third place athletes. And team of India, when they cross the finishing line, Duti Chand was about 4 meters ahead from the nearest challenger of Sri Lanka. Well, the timings have just arrived, and the team of India has got the timing of 44.15 seconds. So they have set up